So here we go, Extreme Rules. Basically, anything goes. You can win by pinfall or submission.
Every hold, every surface, every object in the arena is all fair game for these combatants.
Haymaker connects.
Got him set up in the corner of the ring. And that was taking the attack to the competition with that one.
Oh, man! He was elusive there. Oh, man!
Double knee face breaker. And a quick pin attempt.
One.
And the count's broken, keeping the match alive.
It's not over yet.
Oh, look at this! He breaks up the hold. Drop kick from behind.
And the DDT!
Corey, in your mind, what's the best strategy to take in a triple threat match?
Unfortunately, there's no one right answer. These matches are too unpredictable to plan for, but a good rule of thumb is to be aggressive and control the action in the ring.
He's rummaging for some sort of equalizer underneath the ring. And he goes into the ring.
Bad Bunny knows just how good he is and isn't afraid to show it.
Ooh, just turn that around. Oh, and a big right.
Oh, catapulting down on the opponent. Oh.
Bad Bunny knows just how good he is and isn't afraid to show it.
Wedging the chair into the turnbuckles.
He's going for the pin.
One. Two.
And he kicks out.
Letting it get down to the wire a little early.
Yeah.
Hooked up and
DDT!
Boom! Now he's been put on the defensive. Getting back into the ring. Makes him pay with a counter. Face first. Suicide dive.
That's playing fast and loose with your own body.
That is weaponizing your body. That's what that was. Russian leg sweep.
Oh! Oh, the reversal by Logan Paul.
And another counter.
There's the sling blade. Basement drop kick.
Bad Bunny knows just how good he is and isn't afraid to show it.
He's trying to intimidate his opponent one more time, but he's got to strike soon. He's outside the ring now.
Hope he's got a plan.
Punch right on the money. This match grinded him down a little. Paul's attack gets reversed.
Rear European uppercut.
Uh-oh. Flashback!
Oh, man.
With the lariat.
Oh, man.
And he slides him back to the mat.
He has been here before, and he knows what he needs to do.
Olympic slam! Okay, he's re-entering the ring. Boom, what a kick.
Driven down, broken arrow. Bad Bunny setting up something big.
With a bunny destroyer.
Did Bad Bunny just close this out?
Shoulders down.
1, 2.
And he stops the count. Saw that one coming, took advantage. Put it in the corner now. Clothesline in the corner.
Top rope, putting it all on the line. Quick back heel.
From the top, drop kick.
Beautiful.
Oh, what a wind-up.
Yikes, that'll either wake you up or knock you out.
He saw it coming, taking advantage. Ooh! Comes back into the ring. Looks like he has something planned with his table, guys.
I don't want to know.
Oh my God, a steel chair!
He's looking to take this fight.
Oh, look at the start of this. Could be going into the playbook for submission.
He's in complete control. Opponent has nowhere to go. Could be tap out time. Abdominal stretch.
Fighting out of it.
That's one way to get out of it.
Seated drop kick.
He's looking a little weary now.
Yeah, the physical price of the Extreme Rules stipulation is really starting to show now.
Double knee backbreaker.
Bad Bunny turns it around.
Oh, saw it coming and got an elbow for their trouble.
He climbs into the ring. Fits his knee to the face.
Look at the positioning and the impact.
Logan Paul's in a daze. This could be over soon. Hurricane Rana.
Shoulders down.
1, 2.
The pin's broken up.
Hooked up.
DDT. Oh.
Oh, God, man.
Drop kick.
Hits the mark.
He has truly gone to a different zone, you guys.
Looks like setting up for a suplex.
Looking to finish things off.
And returning to the ring.
Jarring impact.
Oof. Getting.
Oh my God, the table has been set ablaze.
That's not a.
He's going for the pin. This could be it.
Heading to the pay window.
Oh, not to the belly.
What a throw. Bang.
Ooh.
Lining it up. And a right hand to the jaw. My goodness.
Perhaps looking for some kind of equalizer here.
He's looking to unload on his opponent with that kendo stick.
Basement drop kick.
He'll take things into the ring.
He went right into that turnbuckle. Oh my God.
Oh.
Stopped them in their tracks with a kick to the gut. Bad Bunny knows just how good he is and isn't afraid to show it.
Cover here.
1, 2.
Digging down deep and staying alive.
As close to 3 as you could possibly get without the bell ringing.
Oh, a kendo stick wrapped around the head.
Countered it just in time.
Bad Bunny setting up something big. What the heck? Bunny Destroyer?
And Logan Paul is laid out.
1.
2. And they're still in this.
Logan Paul showing why you just can't underestimate him in this game. He's got that insatiable hunger. He's got that never-ending gas tank.
And you got to think that all the plans are out the window after that.
Sledgehammer right to the gut.
Breaker.
Ouch.
Setting up the table. He is done playing around.
Table behind him now, not where you want to be. Into the ring again. He's going for the pin. This could be it. He stops the count.
Oh, God. Any more hits in that area could leave him dizzy. Oh, could this be it?
Powerbomb. Is that all she wrote for
Shoulders
Bad
down.
Bunny?
2. It's over. Hit the bell.
And gets the win, beating the odds in this triple threat.